Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a very fresh and healthy refreshing drink, and this is mixed fruit cocktail. This turns out to be super delicious. This is very healthy and everyone should really have this. To make mixed fruit cocktail, here and I have some seasonal fruits like apple, grapes, that is black grapes and green grapes, pineapple and some pomegranate seeds. So whatever fruits are available with you, you can use that. If you are using oranges, remove the seeds and use it. And now I'm going to use the juicer, and in this I'm going to add in all the fruits and remove the juice out of it. So herein goes the apple. If you are using the food processor, add in all the fruits into the blender, add in a cup of water, around 3-4 tablespoons of sugar, because you are using water, and water is going to help to grind all the fruits, and then strain out the juice out of it. And so now one by one I'm going to add in all the fruits and remove the juice. If you are using the juicer, you get 100% pure fruit juice, so no need to add sugar. You can just have it as it is. Have this fruit juice every day. This is very refreshing and very healthy and very tasty too. So goes in all the grapes. So in this way you can see here I have added all the fruits one by one, and I have just squeezed out all the juices from it. So in this way I have extracted juices from all the fruits. I personally like this fruit juice very much. So all the benefits from all the fruits, you just get it in one glass of fruit juice. That is mixed fruit cocktail. Finally goes in the pomegranate seeds and squeeze out all the juices from it. So now herein I have a very refreshing and healthy fruit cocktail ready. Serve it chilled. If you have liked this recipe, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such recipes and delicacies on the plate. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get the further notifications of my upcoming videos.